quickly explain who I am and what my plans are. The police are thinking that they're just waiting to pull him over for driving without a license and no insurance. I say, I'm going to call him immediately as soon as I see him. So he comes cruising out and I make the call. He actually picked up the phone to call me a bunch of names and the N-word. I'm as white as the fresh fallen snow. And promptly gets pulled over. Police issue a ticket for reckless driving, no seatbelt, no license, using a handheld device. During this, the girlfriend pulls up and proceeds to give consent to search her truck. In the truck, they find multiple IDs, stolen credit cards, a couple ATM skimmer machines, and a fake police badge. He was arrested on the spot. His judgment was 8 years in jail after being granted time and a half for time served, a $100,000 fine, 1,000 hours community service after release, and no possibility of parole. Never underestimate the fury of a quiet man. And our next story. Revenge to the tune of $50,000 plus on owner who wrongfully fired me. I applied for a job as a bar manager at a new resto bar that opened up in my area, Ontario, Canada. The owner of this bar had some issues with her liquor license being revoked at a previous establishment, and there was some sort of stipulation, this part I'm not clear on, where she was required to not be on site or involved in the business in any capacity for any reason. She was a prohibited person, and I believe she made her husband the owner on paper, but for this story, she's referred to as the owner. Hire a manager with 5+ years experience and a Smart Serve certificate to run and be responsible for the bar in order to get another liquor license. After a short interview process, I was offered the job and told of these terms. I accepted them despite the already apparent red flags. I was a very poor student. When the restaurant/bar opened, everything fell apart quickly. Despite the owner not being allowed to be on premises, she proceeded to micromanage both the kitchen and front of the house. She stopped scheduling kitchen staff to save money and was working in the kitchen herself. Food quality plummeted. Customers became irate at how long of a wait it was, and word spread quickly in the small town. Eventually, a select few regulars became our only customers. More hours got cut, waitresses and kitchen staff were let go. The owner was now drinking at the bar and at the same time was waitressing and cooking. This was all in a matter of a month. So one night that month, it was exceptionally nice out, and we had a lot of boaters in the area. We had a pier near the bar where boats could dock and walk into the restaurant. A large group had walked in on this night, and they were both very clearly over-intoxicated. I immediately cut them off, to which they made a very large stink, enough that the owner's husband came over to ask what happened. I explained that I had cut the group off and wasn't going to serve them, to which the owner's husband decided to take their drink orders and serve them anyway. Obviously, money was tight, so they didn't care about the rules. Next day, the owner pulled me into the office and accused me of stealing $50 out of the till the previous night. I knew this to be a lie that could be easily disproven because there's a camera located directly over the till that's synced to the time code on the POS. I was fired on the spot. 100% I believe this was because I was refusing to serve customers, thereby damaging their bottom line. I was really miffed to be accused of doing something I didn't do, and more upset that she used this lie she made up as an excuse to fire me. Because the stipulation of her having her liquor license was me working at the bar as a manager, I emailed the Liquor Control Board when I got home and informed them of the rules being broken at the bar. A liquor inspector came to meet me later that week and took a statement. He then paid a surprise visit to the bar and was able to witness all of the things that I informed him, including the owner being both on-site and being involved in the business, serving minors and serving intoxicated persons. The liquor inspector slapped them with a very large fine, north of $50,000. Their liquor license was suspended, and the owner was too broke to pay the fine and was forced to close the restaurant. I received threats from her for a while after that, but the revenge was absolutely worth it. Hey guys, thank you all for watching the video to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.